Good day. Today we'll talk about encryption. I prepared a simple scenario here. I want to encrypt a simple message uh, content 36 letters or characters or less than 36. I have here two columns. One, I put the letters which I will use it. I use here only the capital letter, the big one, and what number represent each letter. I will try here to write a message, like example, I love you. I love you. I love you. I want to send this message. I want to be sure this message is less than 36 characters because my box can get only 36 letters. I will use here a command for length equals len, L-E-N. Then this is the text and enter. He told me this is 10 letters. 1 plus 4 plus 3, that's 8, plus 2 space, that's 10. Now, the second thing, I want to transfer these letters to this table. I will use this command. You see how it equals MID, and then he will tell me it's return the characters from the middle of the text. Okay, I will get it from here. Something is wrong. Again, equals MID. This is the text, comma, and where I will start? I will start from the first letters. How many letters I will return? Is only one. I want one. You see, I will show you if I want example 3. So what he will get? He will get I space and L. Look. See? He will get it. But I don't want this one. I want only the I. That's why I will get only the I. This should be 1. Enter. Now he gets this. Now I will do this one. I'll repeat it again. Now I'll do the same. Equals MID. And then this is the text, comma. Now it will be 2 because I want the second one and I want only one character to return back to me space, which is space here. I'll repeat it again here also. Equals MID and text. Now I want the third one, comma. I want only one return back. I think you get the idea. But this is very tiring. I have only 36, but if I have 100, 10 by 10, it's 100 characters. It's tiring job. I want to use copy and paste. Look what will happen if I use copy and paste. If I use copy and paste, okay, this is I copy it, and then I will paste it here. Example. It will be miss because if I put here, he is looking here, and this one he is looking another location. Why? Because that's something you should know. What happened exactly? This text should not be changed. Now, to keep it's in the location, I will press F4. When I press F4, I'm telling Excel, do not change this set when I copy and paste. Enter. Now, if I copy here, he will put I, because look, he keep this one, he keep this one, 1. I need now to make this one 2. I will make this one 3, and so on. This is also tiring, but it's better than the previous one. I came with an idea. Why not I create a table with numbers? Okay, this is, I have 36, from 1 to 36. I mean, table 6 by 6. If you have 100, it will be 10 by 10. And easy, just you have the first 3, and you need to have the first 3 numbers you put, and just copy and paste. He is automatically, he will continue typing the numbers. Now what I would do here, I will go back again, and instead of it's 1, I said no, you get it from here. This is J1, it's 1. Now he will get 1. See? Now when I copy and paste, what happened here? He copied this one, you see, we get number 2. Okay? And he keep this as it is. Now come here, copy number 3, and so on. Okay? Now I can highlight this one, and then I can copy everything here. Now this is, he copied, because I have only W. Now if I change this one, say how are you? How are you? Enter. You see? He brought it there. Okay? Now let's get something longer. Let's say I say I love you very much. Enter. He copied this one, and he put each letter in one cell. Good. Now the next step, I will transform this letter to a number. As I mentioned before, I make this one. You can make, you can start example from here, from 9 and going up. Not necessarily 1, 2, 3. Okay, but for the purpose of this lecture, I start 1 to 6 plus 1 for space, so it's 1 like this. Now I will use VLook Up, but I will show you first it will work VLook Up and VLook Up. VLook Up is an old functions. From 2019, Microsoft came with VLook Up. It's a new functions. By the way, I am using Excel 365. Now let's see how it works. I will just show you. Let's make it bigger, bold. Let's say here I have letter E. Okay, and then I want the computer will return back to me the value of E, which is 5. I will use equals VLook Up. Okay, he's telling me where you want me to look. I said you look here, comma. Where I will find this one, I'm telling him you look here in this column. Okay, what I should do after that, I want you to give me what number here. Now you can see, if you don't find it, what I should do. Okay, there is to me. But if you don't do it, okay, I will close it. Then I said enter. It will tell me it is 5. If I change this one, let's example to K, he will return back to me 11. You can see K is 11, and so on. If it is C, it only is a 3. This is how to use XLOOKUP. If you don't have to 2019 or 365, you can use the old function, which is VLook Up. Let's see, I will do it again here. Let's say I'll use H here, example. Okay, I'll use H. I will use here V look up. That's V for vertical. He's telling me where I will look. I said, you look here. He's telling me next is where is the table? Now he's asking table. The X look up asking upon. Now I said, you look here in this table. Okay, look in this table. And then what I should return back, he's asking me the column index number, not the column. Well, this is column 1, this is column 2. Okay, I'm telling him you return the in column 2. Enter. Now, if you look H is equal to 8. When I press enter, he will tell me 8. Okay, if I tell him C, he told me 3. Now you have an idea how these two functions will work. If you don't have XLOOKUP, don't panic, you can use VLOOKUP. But I encourage you to use XLOOKUP if it's a new function. Now, I will do this one here. Every number here, I will convert it, every letter here to be converted to equals. I'm using XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. When he will look up, he will look up here. Do I need this one, letter one copy paste to be changed? Yes. That's why I will not fix it. I will let it be move when I copy and paste, comma. Where I will look here. Do I need, when I copy paste, to change that column? No. Okay, I'll press F4. I'll fix it. What I should return back to you? Okay, you return back to me this column, the bottom of this column. Do I need to fix that one? Yes, fix it. And then if you want to add another condition, it's up to you. And then enter. Now it's 9. Let's see, is it true? I is 9. Now what I will do, I will copy paste. I will just copy this one, copy paste. With the problem here, why? He is telling me here this number is not available. C4, okay, and this one here. Now, let's fix it in case if there is a problem, you should return back to me a space, okay? Okay. This one's supposed to be fixed. Now let's fix this one. Let's tell him if it is something wrong, okay, you return, if not, return back to me the 27. That's the easiest way. Okay. Do I need to fix this one? Yes, fix this one also. And now copy paste this one. Okay, he fixed it. There is a problem, just return it back as blank. Now copy paste this one, bring it here. You can see now every character here is his responsible. The last one was 8, which is H. H is 8, yes. Now, so far I convert these letters to a number. Now, to encrypt this one, I'm using a linear algebra matrix. I will scramble this one by multiplying them by another matrix. I will select here a matrix, also a square matrix. This is 6 by 6. Select for 6 by 6. I can select any number. I prefer to be integers, like for example 2, 5, any random. I'm just selecting any random numbers, and can be also 0 or negative. Okay. Any number come to your mind. Later I will tell you why I'm using uh, integers. I'm not using fraction has a decimal because my output also will have a decimal values. That one, let's say 1 here, let's say 4, 5, 4, 8, 3. You can put any number you like, -5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 8, 2, 1, 0, 8, and 9. Okay, I just fill up this one with numbers. Now I will multiply this matrix by this matrix. Now the command here to multiply is m multiply. M for matrix equals m multiply. And he said what function I will select. This is the first function, the first matrix. Okay. By the way, I give it a name. I'll show you how I give name to a matrix. Okay, comma, and then you multiply it by this one. Okay, and then close, and then you multiply. He multiply. You can see here, I just went here. And if I go bigger, okay, if I go more decimals, okay, you can see is the number is integer, has no zeros, no fractions. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Okay, that's why when I copy paste it here, I will not make a problem in the letter later. Now, you notice here when I use this one, we come with the letter with the name for this matrix K because I highlight it and then I put here name K. Or you can use after highlight like this one, you highlight, you can use right click and then define name, and then you can give a name. Do not give input. I think input is a command. There is a command you will not accept that name. Maybe input X, input something. You can give that the name if you want. Okay, this is the way how you name a table. Now, this one, okay, say no more 0 because I don't want it with the zeros. Okay, this numbers I will send it to the person. He should receive my message. I love you very much. Okay, what I will do, by the way, I give this one, I give the name to be sent. Okay, right click defined. Okay, you can use here to be sent, or you can type it directly. Now I will copy and I send it maybe by email or something. Copy equals, okay, to be sent. Okay, because the table. And then enter. We copy all these numbers exactly here. Okay, you can see. Now I want to return back these numbers to like the input, the one, because I want to return back as original. What I will do, I need to multiply it by the inverse of the key. This matrix, how I will find it? This one's supposed to be the sender to the receiver. They know the key. That's why the receiver, he can create the inverse of the key. Inverse of the key of this matrix is equals to M inverse. Okay, you can see this is for matrix. Okay, and then for you inverse this one. Okay, you see it's automatically he get the name key because I give him key. This is the inverse of this one. It is very complicated to do it manually. Okay, but by computer he can do it easily. But you can do it manually, but take time, take a lot of time. Now I have the inverse key. I have the message sent to me to be uh, sent back to the original. I will do the same, equals to multiply it. Okay, multiply the key, the inverse key, this one. Okay, you multiply it by the message sent to me. Enter. You can see I return back the same code here what I have. 9, 27, 12, 15, 22, and so on. Some of you can see here, when I click here, automatically this Excel 365, he wrote the table, the matrix. But if you are using the old Excel like 2016, 13, or you're using 27 or something like that, it will not appear like this. So it appear only 9, only the first one. Don't be panicked. This is 6 by 6. After this appear, after I multiply it, appear only 9. What I will do, I will highlight, since I know it's 6 by 6, I will highlight it. This is the instruction of Excel, the old Excel. After you highlight it, you press F2. When you press F2, he will show you like this. Then after that, you combine, you press Control, you keep Control down, you press Shift down, and the third key is Enter. When you do this one, it will appear to you. It will not appear in my computer because I'm using a 365. But in case if you have this one here, when you're using multiplication or here, even here with inverse, he will give you only this number. He will not give you the other number. What he will do, you highlight the, if I highlight example, what will happen? Here, you see, if I press F2, okay, Control, Shift, Enter. He tell me this is not applicable. This is extra. You are putting extra function. Okay, that's it will not work. Okay, I'll delete it. I'll do it again here. You see, it will not work here because there is no empty here. Equals and inverse, and then I will this one I want, and then enter. Okay, and then enter. Now I have the numbers. I want to return back to this one. There is something I didn't succeed. I think there is some bug in the VLook Up or something. I cannot directly go to this number. I will just type it. I will type it here, which is 9, 27, 12, 15. This is 22 and 5. Okay. And then the second message line will be 27, 25. This is input. Okay. 15, 21, and 27, 22, 5, 18, 25, 27, 13, and 21. And the last one is 3, 8, and 27. Okay, You can copy paste this one if you want. Okay. Yes, I copy paste it. Okay. Okay. Copy. This one is for 27. Yes. Okay. Now I will convert it back. Okay. I'm using again. I will use again the x lookup equals to x lookup. Okay, you convert this one to me. I want it to be move of copy paste. When I will look, this is where I want you to look here in this numbers. You look here. Okay, you look here. Do I need to fix it? Yes. Therefore, comma. What I will return back? You return back the letters which is here. Do you need to fix it? Yes, fix it. What about something? If something went wrong, you just put it blank. Do I need to fix it? Yes, fix it. Again, enter. Now he put I. Yes, correct. I'll just copy paste. Okay, he put 0 here, which is this the value here. Okay, we'll fix it later. Copy paste. He put 0, 0, 0. If it is this one, this is the value 0. But I will make this one dot state instead of 0. Okay. And now I love you very much. It's very difficult to read, maybe. Okay. If it is difficult to read it like this, I can combine this one and return it back similar to this message again. In this time here, I will use how to combine this one. I will use end, okay, to combine cells equals this cell, and then you add end, this cell, you add it, okay, you will put that, of course, and this cell, and this cell, and this cell, and this cell, and this cell. I will continue adding this one. Okay, and this one, 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 and you continue up to the end, to the last one. Next, this one, add this cell, followed by the cell, 12 cells. And here, and be patient with me, and the next one, and enter. You can see I love you very much appear here, which is the first message happening. Now let's go. If I change this one, let's go back to how are you. How are you? There is no question mark because I don't have that question mark. Enter will be how are you. he will calculate it. He changed this numbers. He changed this one. Of course, the output will be different, and it will appear here. This one. I need here to input my data again. Okay. I need to input my data, which is here. This one I told you this is manually here. This one out. Okay, 15, 23, 27, 1, 18. Okay, we have 5, 27, 25, 15, 21, and 27. Okay, and then you have here the 27 copy or 27. Okay, paste it 27. Now, how are you? Copy here, how are you? Okay. Now, to be challenged for you, first step, you need to follow these steps, and then if you succeed, in this, you go for modification. Like example, modify it maybe 6 by 6, maybe make it bigger. Maybe you can add a small letter, capital letter, you add question mark or the keys in the keyboard. You can add it here to make it bigger. This one, maybe possible you will change these numbers. Okay. If you go more complicated one, instead of you multiply it once, maybe you will multiply it twice. This number here, maybe you can encrypt it again to be twice or thrice. It's up to you. Or maybe this one is multiply by a constant. That's much complicated. If you are good in matrix, you can solve like this. Now, I told you why I am using these numbers here. Why I'm using integer. Look, if I make this one instead of 5, I will make it 0.5. It is okay, no problem. Okay, if you make it 0.5. But what happened actually here? You can see it. This one is now here now already. Okay. Now, if you send this one example, if you send it 664, you send it 665. Of course, here it is only link, but if you type it wrongly, it will be effect. Okay. That's why depend on what method you are using. Okay. For example, if I make this one 0.01, it will be worse. Okay. It will be 2. Okay. Let's see if there are many. Okay. I think it's 2 or 3. Okay, 2. It will be. Okay. That's why it's up to you how to modify it. And then I hope I contribute something for encryption for you. If you have any question to ask, please give your questions in the comments in this video. And thank you very much for this, and bye.